In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a page URL on Wix for free. Whether you're rebranding your website, streamlining your links, or just want to have more clarity in your web address, changing your URL can make a significant difference. Let's dive right into the process. First, you'll want to start on your Wix dashboard. It's essentially the control center where you manage everything related to your website. From here, locate the Settings option. Once you're in the settings, go ahead and select Website Settings. This is where you'll find various options related to your site's management and functionality. Now, as we scroll down in this section, you'll come across the part where you can edit your site address URL. This adjustment is completely free, so you won't have to worry about any additional charges. Being able to modify this URL can help improve your site's SEO and make it easier for people to find you online. Remember to keep your new URL relevant to your site's content, which can further enhance its accessibility. Moving on, let's look at how you can update your site prefix. To do this, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen, where you'll find your account settings. It's like the personal space, where you manage all your account-related preferences and details. In this section, you're allowed to edit the site URL prefix without any charges as well. This is handy if you want to append something specific to your current URL without altering the whole domain. Once you've made the desired changes to your site URL prefix, remember to click the Save button. It's crucial to save the changes to ensure they take effect immediately. And just like that, you've successfully edited your Wix URL as a free user. However, if you're looking to have a fully custom domain, Wix offers that option, but you would need to upgrade your site to a paid plan. Upgrading opens up a wider array of features and flexibility, including a custom domain, which can add a professional touch to your website. It's worth considering if you're serious about building a strong online presence and fully customizing your site's identity. So there you have it. A simple and straightforward way to change a page URL on Wix for free. Remember, maintaining a coherent and easy-to-remember URL can significantly boost your engagement and site accessibility. Don't hesitate to explore the paid options if your needs evolve over time. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more practical and easy web management tips.